Hello everyone, and welcome to another video produced by Financial Anatomy, the place where you can take control of your financial destiny. On this channel we talk about personal finance, side hustles, ways to make money, and we also cover apps that involve money in any form. And today we're going to be covering an app which allows you to invest your money called M1 Finance, specifically how to turn the auto investing feature on and off. For those of y'all that don't know, M1 Finance is kind of geared towards long-term investors, and the way it's set up right now is if you put any money into your account, if that money is above $20, then it's going to automatically get spread out throughout your investment portfolio. Well, maybe you don't want that to happen. Maybe you want to just have money there just in case you want to put money in a particular stock, or you just don't want it to be invested at that particular time. That's where this auto invest feature comes in. And when you sign up for M1 Finance and get started, the default setting is usually for it to be already on. We're going to cover exactly how to turn it off if that's what you want, and also how to turn it back on if you want to turn it back on at some point. So let's go over to the phone to show you how to do this on the app. Let's start off by clicking on M1 Finance, opening the app. Obviously you got to put in your PIN. I'm going to skip this part. And on this screen is the place where you can turn auto investing off or on. So the line is right above Manage Pie. You just want to use your finger to move that up. And we see auto invest, all cash is automatically invested. So if I wanted to turn this off, I just click on it and hit the button where it says auto invest off. Then boom. And as we can see, I'm going to back out of this. And I had trades that were coming up because auto invest was on, because I had higher than the amount that you need in your account to trigger an auto invest, which is $25. I have $85.27 in there. See how those trades went away? Now I'm going to turn it back on because I personally like auto invest to be on. That way all I got to do is deposit money in the account, then it gets split up among my portfolio. With that being said, you might not want that though. You might want to decide where the cash goes. You might want to buy stocks individually on the platform. That's why it's good to know about this. If you want to know exactly how you can buy an individual stock on the platform, you want to take a look at this video, because I cover how to buy more of one individual stock as opposed to buying more of your whole portfolio. But that in a nutshell wraps up how to turn the auto investing feature off when it comes to M1 Finance. Now that you know how to turn on and off the auto invest, let's cover briefly what use does the feature have. So the auto invest main appeal is basically it has the potential to make investing on your end autonomous. So let's say you already have your investment portfolio set up, which if you don't know how to set up an investment portfolio, you want to check this video out in the top right hand corner to show you how to set that up on M1 Finance. But assuming that you've already done that, the auto invest feature will just automatically invest money into your investment portfolio and split it up among your percentages. So work with me here. Let's say if you have, we're going to take 3 stocks, Apple, Sony, and Amazon. I'm just thinking off the top of my head. And you want to have the percentages split up 25% Sony, 25% Apple, and 50% Amazon. You can set that up, and any money that you put in your account will automatically be split up among that portfolio if auto invest is on. If you're someone that's in investing for the long term and you really have selected these stocks based on their long-term growth potential or dividend income, you're probably not going to be looking to sell anytime soon. So all you had to do is set up automatic transfers from your bank to M1 Finance, which we talk about in another video. Once again, you can check this video out on the screen if you want to know how to set that up. But assuming you have that set up, think about it like this. You automatically have, let's say, $50 each week going from your bank account to M1 Finance. Well, as soon as that money hits M1 Finance, they're going to automatically invest that money into your portfolio. See how it's just a snowball that just keeps building up and building up without you having to do anything? That's the use of auto investing. Now, with that being the case, you might want to turn it off sometimes, because let's say there's just this particular stock that for whatever reason is down, but you've done the analysis, it's going to shoot back up pretty soon. And instead of putting that $50 and having it being spread out throughout your whole investment portfolio, you'd rather just transfer the money there and then specifically buy that one stock since it's such an opportunity. You would want to have auto invest off, turn it off. That way when the money hits your account, it's not automatically spread out in your portfolio. It hits your account, then you can do whatever you please with it. That covers it for this video. We talked about the auto invest feature in general, as well as how to turn it on and off. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like the video if you found value in it, subscribe if you're new, and hit that bell notification if you want to be notified when we drop another video. I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.